initial process, the hair is arranged parallel on thread or the string. The string or the thread and human hair or synthetic material can be used in the regular knitting. The function of the drag in the regular eyelash process is only for human hair in order to break the DNA living in the hair, considering it will grow even though the hair has been cut. The function of rubbing in this process is to tidy up the hair before being processed in the next step. The regular eyelash then needs to be cut to make it orderly and exactly similar to the size of the real eyelash. The cutting can be done by using either scissors or cutting machine. Prepare a small pipe and paper to roll up the regular eyelash. Wet the paper with the water and then put the regular eyelash cut previously on the pipe. Before being rolled up, the knitting needs to be done with a process what we call couching. Couching is the term used in the rolling process. It commonly uses a pen-like tool with a sharp point. The tool is used in the rolling process to make the knitting blossom in the next process. The function of rolling and tying is to make a curve the regular eyelash in the oven process later on. The function of tying in this process is to make the knitting tight in the predetermined measurement. This process of oven is to preserve the curve of the regular eyelash or make it durable. Before entering the oven process, the regular eyelash using human hair material needs another drag processing. The regular eyelash are soaked in the drag for 25 minutes. Then, the regular eyelash are washed by means of dipping the pipes arranged vertically on a place. The eyelashes are washed thoroughly in a tub of water and then put into the oven. In the oven process, the temperature of 120 to 140 degrees Celsius and the time of 50 to 60 minutes are required for the regular eyelash using human hair material. After the oven process, the result is the curve of the regular eyelash depending on the size of the pipe to roll up the regular eyelash. The smaller the size of the pipe, the more curved the eyelash and vice versa. The function of cutting in this process is to produce the desired regular eyelash pattern. The function of cutting in this process is to produce the desired regular eyelash pattern. This department is where the tray or container is made to put the regular eyelash in the finishing process, and the process of stamping is done to print the text or write the name of the regular eyelash on the tray that has been made. In this process, the thread or the string is given a small amount of glue and then stick it on the tray. Regular finishing is done through packing arranged in the inner white and then packed with master box as well as covered tightly by using adhesive.